Hi everyone. So meron tayong 5 levels of leadership. Um, we're having a discussions all about leadership. Gaano ba ka-importante ang tayo bilang tao na maunawaan natin na may merong iba't ibang class or may 5 levels of leadership according to John Maxwell. This is also a biblical yung mga pwede natin matutunan. In Jesus' life, talagang si Jesus really set an example for us kung paano tayo maging leader at kung paano na makikita sa atin in reality ngayon yung mga tayo bilang tao paano magkakaroon ng influence according to each level na sasabihin sa 5 levels of leadership at ano ang pinaka-importanteng dapat natin maunawaan. Nilikha tayo ng Diyos. Nilang tayo ng Diyos meant to become the leaders. It may be in other people in different ways. Expect natin in the first place wala tayong alam, hindi natin masyadong familiar, but we are created as leader in the first place, in the beginning. Why? Leadership must understand and how influence really works sa buhay ng tao. Other people may follow you because you have a little or a title or a position, but remember, Jesus, they follow because, or people follow Jesus is because of the relationship. Same as din sa buhay natin. Ang magkaroon ng isang magandang klaseng relationship na dapat nauunawaan, nakikita, nararamdaman, and you have a result. And also, sabi niya, we follow us by what we do for them. Kung ano yung ginawa mo as a leader. Some people will follow you because of who you are, who you became. Well, according to this, there's a different status and also there's a hierarchy of leadership. Some may find themselves na nasa isang level within in the tiers hierarchy, but it doesn't mean na hanggang dun ka na, lalo na kung nasa kung maganda ang goal mo. So tayo bilang Christian, bilang disciple of Christ, dapat ganun din na we have to understand the level of leadership na meron tayo. And being a leader really requires a lot of things. You must die to yourself. You put into practice delete gratification. Na kung saan you are not thinking what you will gain, but you are thinking what you give. Sabi nga ni Miles Monroe na we are supposedly ano yung pwedeng magawa mo. We are not employed, but we are deployed. So, ibig sabihin, pinapaalalahanan tayo ng Diyos because God wants us something to be done through us at binigyan niya tayo ng level of influence. Paano maging leader in our own ways in His according to His plan. And sa ganong klase ng purpose, dapat alam mo, malinaw sa atin yung purpose kung para saan ka. At maunawaan natin because doon magre-rely kung paano mo i-handle yung mga bagay, yung sitwasyon ng tao. Don't recognize as a nabasa mo lang. Kailangan linawin mo sa sarili mo at intentionally, really, ikaw na ano ka nga ba maging leader? Leading just like Christ, led by Him. Yung buhay natin is a one way or another. Maybe this time is kailangan natin maiparating sa tao kung paano maging leader, na makikita sa atin kung paano naging leader si God. And kailangan klaro sa atin yung mga bagay-bagay na yun, lalo na maganda ang intention mo, makapag-impluwensya at maipamahagi yung buong katotohanan, lalo na ito ay align sa ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Because God's influence people. And when you led by Christ, knowing the foundation is really strong. At ganun din ang gusto ng Diyos sa buhay natin. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.